Pangit man maligo sa dagat, kaya maalat ang tubig kasi may mga basura.
Baler, Aurora. Baler, officially the Municipality of Baler, Tagalog, Bayan ng Baler, Ilocano, LET Baler, is a third-class municipality and capital of the province of Aurora, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 43,785 people. Baler is located 244 kilometers northeast of Manila via a mountain pass accessible by bus and private vehicles. It is host to spectacular geographic formation and is situated on a vast plain at the south end of Baler Bay, a contiguous segment of the Philippine Sea. It became the capital of Aurora on June 14, 1951 under Republic Act No. 648 signed by President Elpidio Quirino. It remained the seat of government of Aurora on November 21, 1978 under Batas Pambansa Bilang 7 signed by President Ferdinand Marcos. History of Baler, Spanish period. In 1609, 7 Franciscan missionaries led by Fray Blas Palomino founded the settlement of Baler, which was later converted into a pueblo by the Augustinians and the Recollects in 1658. Due to scarcity of religious missionaries, the Franciscans again took over the administration of the settlement in 1703. On 27 of December 1735, a great storm came and a huge wave called Tromba Marina devastated the old town settlement, then located in Barrio Sabang. Among the survivors were the Angaras, Bihasas, Bitongs, Lomasaks, Carrascos, and Poblites who swam toward the nearby Ermita Hill. A new community sprang into what is now the population of Baler. Leaving Kinagunasan, the place of devastation, a mural depicting this wave can be found in the Museo de Baler in town. On June 27, 1898, 15 days after the Philippine Declaration of Independence, 54 Spanish soldiers of the Baler garrison under the command of Captain Enrique de las Morinas y Fuzi made San Luis Obispo de Tolosa Church, named in Spanish for Luis of Toulouse, their barracks. When de las Morinas died on November 22, 1898, Lieutenant Saturnino Martin Cerezo replaced him. On June 2, 1899, the last Spanish garrison in the Philippines surrendered after the siege of Baler, effectively ending over 300 years of Spanish rule in the country. American colonial period. In 1901, the Americans incorporated the town into the province of Tayabas. Before the Americans came, Baler was under the district of El Principe. The Comedia de Baler of Aurora mounted its first production in 1927. It was supported by the President Manuel L. Quezon and enjoyed the collaboration of artists Fortunato Azoreña and Alejandro Ferreras and artist expert Antonino Ramos. Still alive until today, it features a group of colorfully attired performers using authentic weapons like swords and knives in their place. Japanese occupation. In 1942, the Imperial Japanese Army entered Baler, where they made the Baler Elementary School building as their garrison under the command of a certain Captain Hattori. The general headquarters and camp base of the Philippine Commonwealth Army from 3 January 1942 to June 30, 1946, and the Philippine Constabulary from October 28, 1944 to June 30, 1946 was stationed in Baler. In 1945, Filipino and American troops landed in Baler, including Filipino troops of the 3rd Infantry Division, the 5th Infantry Division, the 51st Infantry Division, and the 52nd Infantry Division of the Philippine Commonwealth Army. The 5th Constabulary Regiment of the Philippine Constabulary, the local recognized guerrilla unit, and the American troops of the 6th Infantry Division of the United States Army. The retreating Japanese troops destroyed the San Luis Obispo de Tolosa Church in Baler. Post-war period. On June 14, 1951, By virtue of Republic Act No. 648, Baler became the capital town of the sub-province and later province of Aurora. In 1956, the barrio of Dingalan was converted into a municipal district within Baler and later became a town in its right. In 1976-7, the helicopter attack and surfing sequences of the film Apocalypse Now were filmed at Baler. The film is credited with having created the Philippine surfing culture, and the headland at Baler is known as Charlie's Point from line in the film.
Oo, yung may mga pang slide.
Sa iba na
ko sa messenger ko yung picture natin.